This is Uncle Jay, WFO. Got a little treat for you folks today. We have the Uncle Jay's Squirrel Eradicator. I'm sorry. We'll dub that in editing. I made this all part from pretty much Harbor Freight. It's pretty simple if you got any welding experience and any know-how. I looked one up online. They're like $25,000. They run from about like 15 to 20, depends on the unit and size. I built this one for under like 3,000. So it starts off with a motor, which is Harbor Freight. They're not bad motors, Predator. Real good bang for your buck. And then I have a 2-stage compressor I got from also Harbor Freight. And then the principle here is to tap into the exhaust on the engine, go around, spans off, water comes down into a water trap, which is automatic. And then the exhaust coming out of the motor goes into the compressor, it compresses it, goes into a tank, holding tank, it stores it, and then it goes out to these reels. And that way you can get a steady flow of carbon monoxide to get the little critters real peacefully and humane. You don't even see them, they just go to sleep. I'm not one for killing stuff, but they're undermining this whole road, and next rain is probably going to slide off the mountain, so my boss told me I better do something. So I came up with this. I kind of actually copied it, it's not my idea, but it's super simple to make, and it saves the pocketbook a lot of money. So here's the process that we're going to rock you through it. We pull it with a quad Honda. Real simple. Little toolbox on front from Tractor Supply. I got all the wheels and axle, Tractor Supply. And I made fenders also, and I made the little frame. Not bad for a quickie. All right, so over here we start this motor up. Check the choke on, gas on, throttle down a little bit, electric start. And then when we fire this up, you can see a gauge. It'll be pumping into the tank. We want to make sure we get that up about 120, 110. It has a hard time sustaining both these reels, but it does work actually very well. I'd say it's about a 97. Look at that guy right there, the squirrel. Look, he's sticking up right there. See him? 98% rate of elimination. They're everywhere. They're just, we're here, they go. Oh, he's gone. All right, here we go. Okay, battery. Sign on here to be legal, going down the road. They're everywhere. Three minutes a hole on the squirrels, badgers like 5, and then anything bigger than that, 7 to 10.
12 gauge?
Yeah, or 12 gauge. That works too. And let's go get this live one up here. Where was that little guy? Yeah, there's so many of them. Where did that guy go?
Hooked up right around here somewhere.
Yeah, that's what I thought. All right, here. Look at this one, get a close shot of that hole. All right, I'm gonna go get the wand and the shovel, and then we'll get to work. Yeah, perfect. Perfect, thank you, sir.
Point of that.
What?
Why are you doing that?
So the gases don't escape. You want to cover all these 15 holes that you can see. 3 minutes. You got to look around and see if there's anything coming up. You'll see. 12 minutes left to do. When this machine works, so do you. I go back and check my gauge, make sure I'm getting a good flow. All about flow. Oh yeah. Go to one more and then we're gonna go up and paint trees. Do you want to just do this section? So squirrels. Alright, bro. That'll be in about 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Think so?
Yep.
Okay, on to the next. Let's go to this one. That's a deep one. Good. Alrighty. What are we coming out here? It is coming out here. Can you see that real quick, Henry? Thank you. I see it blowing out there. Hopefully that helped. Drop a comment or like and subscribe. Thank you.